Herbal medicine has been an integral part of human healthcare for millennia, with different cultures developing unique systems of healing. Among the most prominent and historically significant are Ayurvedic medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, and Western herbalism. While all three systems utilize plant-based remedies and emphasize the body's ability to heal itself, they differ in their philosophical foundations, diagnostic methods, and approaches to treatment. Understanding their similarities and differences provides insight into the diverse ways humans have sought to maintain health and treat disease. Ayurvedic medicine. Ayurveda originated in India over 5,000 years ago. The word Ayurveda means science of life in Sanskrit. It is a holistic medical system rooted in the concept of balancing the body, mind, and spirit. Ayurveda is based on the belief that health is achieved when an individual maintains harmony between the three doshas, which are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata is associated with air and ether, Pitta with fire and water, and Kapha with earth and water. Each person has a unique constitution, known as Prakriti, which is determined by the dominance of these doshas. Imbalances in the doshas are believed to lead to illness. Ayurvedic diagnosis considers a person's pulse, tongue, eyes, skin, and overall constitution to determine imbalances. Treatment methods include herbal remedies using plants such as ashwagandha, triphala, and tulsi. Dietary adjustments play a crucial role, as food is classified according to its effects on the doshas. Panchakarma is a detoxification process that involves therapeutic purging, enemas, and massages. Yoga and meditation are integral practices for maintaining mental and spiritual health. Traditional Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine, commonly known as TCM, dates back over 2,500 years and is based on the principles of qi, yin-yang balance, and the 5 elements, which include wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. TCM emphasizes the flow of qi, or life force, through meridians in the body. Illness is believed to occur when qi is blocked or imbalanced. Diagnosis in TCM is conducted through pulse reading, tongue diagnosis, and symptom analysis. Treatments include herbal formulas that often consist of complex multi-herb blends tailored to an individual's condition. Commonly used herbs in TCM include ginseng, astragalus, and rhamania. Acupuncture and acupressure are used to stimulate specific points to restore qi flow. Cupping and moxibustion are techniques employed to improve circulation and remove blockages. Tai Chi and Qigong are movement practices designed to enhance qi circulation. Dietary therapy in TCM is based on the warming, cooling, and neutral properties of food. Western Herbalism. Western Herbalism has its roots in ancient Greek, Roman, and European traditions. It has been heavily influenced by Hippocratic medicine, medieval monastic herbalism, and folk remedies. Unlike Ayurveda and TCM, Western herbalism does not follow a single unified system, but has instead evolved over centuries through empirical observation, scientific research, and cultural influences. It aligns closely with modern botany, pharmacology, and naturopathy, focusing on plant constituents and their effects on human physiology. Diagnosis in Western herbalism relies on symptom-based assessment and often incorporates scientific understanding of plant chemistry. Treatment methods include the use of single herbs or compound formulations. Common herbs used in Western herbalism include echinacea for immunity, milk thistle for liver support, and chamomile for relaxation. Herbs are administered in various forms, including tinctures, teas, capsules, and poultices. Dietary and lifestyle recommendations are often based on modern nutritional science. Western herbalism frequently integrates with holistic naturopathic principles and sometimes aligns with conventional medicine. Similarities and differences. Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Western herbalism all aim to heal through plant-based medicine and holistic approaches, but their philosophies, diagnostic methods, and treatment strategies vary significantly. Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine emphasize energy systems such as prana in Ayurveda and qi in TCM. These systems focus on body constitutions and maintaining internal balance. In contrast, Western herbalism takes a more biochemical and symptom-oriented approach. Ayurveda originated in India and has been practiced for over 5,000 years, while traditional Chinese medicine developed in China over 2,500 years ago. Western herbalism traces its roots to Europe and ancient Greece, with approximately 2,000 years of historical practice. The core philosophy of Ayurveda is the balance of the three doshas, which are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Traditional Chinese medicine is based on the balance of Qi, Yin-Yang, and the five elements. Western herbalism, on the other hand, is grounded in empirical observation and botanical science. Diagnosis in Ayurveda involves analyzing a person's pulse, tongue, and constitution. Traditional Chinese medicine also utilizes pulse reading and tongue diagnosis, but incorporates meridian assessments to detect blockages in Qi. Western herbalism typically focuses on symptoms and scientific testing rather than energy systems. The approach to herbal medicine differs as well. Ayurveda employs single herbs and customized formulations tailored to an individual's doshic balance. Traditional Chinese medicine commonly uses complex multi-herb formulas that are designed to balance qi and bodily functions. Western herbalism often utilizes single herbs or blends based on pharmacological effects and symptom relief. Each system has a different view of body energy. Ayurveda describes it as prana, the life force that sustains all functions. Traditional Chinese medicine focuses on qi, which must flow freely to maintain health. Western herbalism does not have a direct energy concept, but instead looks at the biochemical properties of herbs and their physiological effects. Treatment methods in Ayurveda include herbal remedies, diet modifications, detoxification practices such as panchakarma, and therapeutic techniques like yoga and massage. Traditional Chinese medicine incorporates herbal therapy, acupuncture, cupping, moxibustion, and movement practices such as Tai Chi and Qigong. Western herbalism primarily uses herbal preparations in the form of teas, tinctures, and poultices, often integrating dietary changes and naturopathic principles. Integration with modern science varies among the three systems. Ayurveda combines traditional knowledge with modern research, but still follows its ancient principles. Traditional Chinese medicine has some integration with modern medicine, but remains rooted in traditional practices. Western herbalism aligns most closely with modern pharmacology and scientific methodologies, while Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Western herbalism each have unique philosophies and methods. They all share the goal of using natural remedies to restore balance and promote healing. Ayurveda and TCM emphasize energetic concepts and systemic harmony, while Western herbalism focuses more on biochemical properties and symptom management. Despite these differences, all three systems recognize the importance of individualized care and the body's innate ability to heal. By understanding and integrating knowledge from these traditions, practitioners can take a more comprehensive approach to holistic healthcare.